All right. Okay, Koy. Hello, Koy. Are you still there? Oh. Peekaboo. Again. Is teacher cute?
No.
Okay. How about this one? Is teacher cute? Okay. How about how about how about baby brother? Is baby brother cute?
Yes.
All right. Okay. So,
The is in a bedroom. He
ba
is playing a Roblox.
baby brother is sleeping now?
He's playing Roblox.
All right. How about you? After our class, you will also sleep now, Koy? Yes? No? What are you still doing?
What? I know.
Uh-oh. All right. So, Koy, let's read. Again, this is M.
Mew.
Okay, next.
Huge. Tune. Cute.
Thank you, Koy. Next, we have another long.
Use. Use. Use.
Okay.
Use.
Long.
Use.
Uh. uh.
Cute.
All right.
Coop.
So this is you.
Coop. 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 Use. Use.
Use. Okay, next. This is
Coop.
Q.
Coop.
Cure.
Cube.
Okay, next
Cube.
Koy. Q.
Cube. Cube.
Say it one more
Cube.
time. K.
Cube.
Cube.
Cube. Cube.
Okay, next. This one. Ch.
Soup.
Tube.
Soup.
Okay, very good. So again, say it one more time. You.
Huge.
Use. Next. Q.
Huge.
Cure.
Cube.
Okay, next Koy. Q.
Cube.
Cube. Cube. And Ch.
Soup. Soup.
Okay, very good. All right, so that is how, Koy. That is the proper way to pronounce the
Cube.
long.
No.
All right, good job. So next, Koy, let's proceed now to the next. Oh, okay. Listen, sir. All right. Listen, circle, and read. Okay, now this one. This is
Meow. 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 Meow.
next is
Meow. Meow.
chu.
Children. 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 Meow.
Chu.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
This one
Children.
is
Children. Children. Children.
ju.
Dude. 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 Sono Dino Bebedino.
All right. Can you
Sono.
circle? Where is the mule? Circle, Koy. Circle.
June.
Where is the June? June. Dune. Dune.
June.
Dune.
June is here.
It's a big one. All right. Just a small one, Koy. Here. This one.
He's, no, he's so small.
This.
Now
All
it's
right.
here. It's here. Now
Mhm.
it's here.
It's the sand. It's the sand.
It's
They
here.
are they are
There
in the
is sky.
desert.
No, they're in sky.
Sky?
Yes.
Ah, yeah. Okay. Okay, this one here. This is the June.
Where? Where is the moon? Here?
All right. So that is great. Okay, so what did you notice, Koi? This is the long uh, uh,
This is long.
uh.
Ooh, uh,
All right. So this
mew.
is mew. Okay, say it one more time. Mule.
Mew.
Okay, this one.
Mew.
Chu chu
Mew. Shoot. Shoot.
chun.
Shoot.
And
Shoot.
next is dun.
Do do do
Okay.
do 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 do
All
do
right.
do do do.
High five to teacher Jennifer. Great job. Thank you, Koy. Now let's proceed to this one. Oh, we have here, Koy, funny tongue twister. Look, what can you see on the screen, Koy?
I can see uh, a mule. A
What
mule.
happened to the mule, Koy?
The mule is 6.
Okay, and then June. What did June did?
June is play the tune.
All right, so June is playing the okay, flute. Let's read. Go, Koy. Let's read.
June plays tunes with her flute to call the mule.
All right, Koy, listen. We read this one as cure. Cure.
Cure.
Say it
Cure.
again. Cure.
Cure.
Okay, thank you, Koy. So, June. Go, Koy.
June plays tunes with tunes
Tunes.
with
Tunes.
her flute to call the mule.
Cure. Say
Tunes.
it one more time. Cure.
Cure. June
The.
plays tunes with her flute to cure the mule.
All right, so June played tunes with, okay, this. All right, June. Okay, Koy, this is June. Now, as we can see, June is playing,
Playing the flute.
okay, with her. So that mule will gonna cure. Okay. So let's read. This is Koy,
June.
June.
Baby.
Hello, baby brother. Are you done playing Roblox?
No.
Are you done playing Roblox, baby brother?
What is this? What is
Win.
this? What is this? Yeah, yeah,
It's
baby.
a mule, baby.
Now. Nanay. Bear.
Okay, so baby brother will sleep now.
No, baby boy. You learning. Baby boy. You learning with you. Baby
Okay. Do you
boy.
want to study English, baby brother?
No, don't be. Don't be sad. Don't be sad. Oh,
All right. So yes, Koy, donkey is What happened to the donkey, baby brother?
Six. Six.
Okay.
Brother. Yes. This is hey brother here.
So let's read Koi again. June.
Your place choose with her flute to
Cure.
kill the meal.
Thank you, Koi. So now, Koi, are you ready? Let's
Read
read.
and talk.
All right.
Read and talk.
So let's read and talk, Koi. Okay. Now, oh,
B.
all right. So let's have this one. We. How do we read this one, Koi?
Read.
Week.
Read.
So how many days in a week? There are
There are 7 weeks.
7 days. So what are those?
It's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
All right, very good. So there are Monday. Monday is number 1. Tuesday is number 2.
Two.
Wednesday is
Wednesday.
number. How about Thursday? Now.
It's Thursday. Thursday.
Okay, and number 6 is
Friday.
all right. So next, this is
Bah, 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 bah. Hmm? Who?
all right. So this is we
Wait.
week.
Wait.
Okay, next word ko. It's ma
Monday.
ma ma
Monday.
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 Now Monday is
Monday.
the second. Monday is the second week.
Wait. Wait.
Week.
Week.
Okay, next ko.
No. Monday is first
Sorry.
day.
Monday is the first week.
Tuesday
Tuesday.
is the second. Tuesday is the second.
All right, very good. Now
When's
next.
the third?
Okay. Kai, next. We have this one. The word is we.
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Next.
Like Wednesday.
Thursday.
Thursday. I like Thursday.
Okay, next is fa.
Friday.
Fry.
I like Friday.
Friday. Say it one more time.
Day.
Okay, Wednesday is the third day in the.
In the week.
Okay, how about Thursday? It's the.
What? It's the fourth.
Okay, very good. Number 5. Friday is the.
Fifth. 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 Fifth.
Very good. Thank you, Ko. So next. Oh,
What?
okay, Koy. Now look, what can you see on the screen?
What that, Jimmy? This is my guitar. I playing the guitar is one of my best hobbies. What that, Jimmy?
What can you
This
see
is
on the
my
screen?
guitar. I can see the sofa. I can see the sofa.
And
The sofa. Ah, I can see the room.
they are in the
This is
living room, right? So there is
the living room.
Timmy and
Because it's ice.
Okay, there is Timmy and there is Jimmy. What are they doing, Koy?
They are talking.
All right. Okay, so Timmy asked, let's read. What?
What? That Jimmy?
Okay.
Yeah, with me. With me. With me. Fish. Niche.
All right. Thank you, Koy. Okay. All right, Koy. So now Jimmy replied, or Jimmy said, this is my
Guitar.
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 Guitar. Now
Playing the
playing the
guitar is it's one of my favorite hobbies.
hobbies.
Like hobby.
Okay, thank you so much. So this
Like
is
chip.
my guitar. Okay. So playing guitar is one of my favorite hobbies, said Jimmy. Okay, Koy. What is the favorite hobby or what is one of the favorite hobby of Jimmy, Koy? It is
Play a guitar.
all
It's
right,
playing
playing
guitar.
playing the guitar.
Guitar.
Next. Oh, what did Timmy reply? Timmy said,
Timmy said, when, when do you play the guitar?
right,
I
Timmy,
play the guitar with my band. My band, we usually play during the week on Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday.
very good. Thank you, Koy. So Timmy replied, when do you play the guitar, Jimmy? So Jimmy said, oh, Timmy, I play the guitar with my band. We usually play during the we
We.
week. Okay. When it is ma ma
Monday,
Monday,
Monday, Monday,
Wednesday, and
Wednesday, Thursday.
okay, very good. So when does usually Jimmy play the guitar, Koy?
And
When it
Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday.
all right, very good. Next, okay. Oh, now Timmy said, what about Tuesday, Jimmy?
I always work on Tuesday nights. I work at the seafood restaurant.
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 Restaurant. Okay, thank you, Koy.
Restaurant.
Okay, so Timmy replied, what about Tuesday, Jimmy? Okay, so Jimmy replied, oh, Timmy, I usually work on
Work on
Tuesday night.
night
I work
at
at,
the seafood restaurant.
all right, so I always work on Tuesday nights. So I work at the seafood restaurant. So where does Timmy go when it is Tuesday, Koy? Sorry, Jimmy. When it's
Jimmy.
Tuesday, where does Jimmy go?
Jimmy work in the restaurant.
What restaurant is that? Sea.
Restaurant.
It's a seafood seafood
Seafood.
restaurant. Okay, seafood restaurant. Okay, next, Koy. Let's proceed. Oh, okay. Now, look. Timmy replied, do, do.
We like. Do you play the guitar on Friday?
All
No,
right.
I don't. I actually go to the movies on Friday. Oh, I
Right.
want to go to the movie.
All right. So now Timmy asked Jimmy, do you play the guitar on Friday? Friday.
No, I don't. I usually go to the movie on Friday.
Okay, so Jimmy replied, no, I usually go to the movies on Friday. Okay, now Kai, what does Jimmy do on Friday? He
He usually go to the movies on Friday.
okay. How about you, Kai? Do you also watch movie?
No, I go
Mo-
to school.
Okay. But have you watched movie in the movie theater with mommy, daddy, and baby brother? Yes?
I
No?
no.
Oh, okay. All right. Next. Okay. So are you ready, Koi? Let's have here activity. So let's play
Let's play
some
some game.
game.
Some game.
All right. Now, Koi. Oh, okay. Look. So what are we going to do is listen and tick. Okay? Listen and tick. Go, Koi. So let's read. This is ma,
Monday,
ma,
Jimmy,
ma.
ma, 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 ma. Monday,
Next.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, week, Friday,
All right. Thank you, Koi.
Saturday,
Now, Koi,
Sunday.
can you describe what is Timmy or what does Timmy do on Monday? Timmy, what does Timmy do?
Timmy do
Timmy,
Timmy doing homework.
Timmy, what did Timmy do?
Timmy Timmy do homework.
All right, or study lesson. Okay, thank you, Koi. How about in Tuesday? What does Timmy do on Tuesday?
Timmy go to the swimming pool. Swimming pool.
All right, so Timmy go to the swimming pool. All right, now how about number 3?
Wednesday.
Mm-hmm. On Wednesday,
Timmy go to work. Timmy go to restaurant work.
okay. Work in a restaurant. Very good. How about number 4, Koy? What did Timmy do on Thursday? He,
He he
Timmy,
mm, Timmy Timmy play football. Play soccer.
plays soccer or football on Thursday.
From
Okay,
Thursday.
now, how about in Friday?
Timmy go to run.
Okay. Run, right? So Timmy, run. Okay. All right. So Kai, since we still have a time now, teacher Jennifer now, we're gonna give you now homework, okay? Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, so this is your home.
Great.
Yes. Okay, teacher Jennifer will gonna give you now homework, Kai.
This is so great.
Yes. Okay. Okay. So this is your homework for this week.
Yeah. Ching, 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 ching. Huh? What is?
Okay. Mhm.
Beep, baba, beep, baba, beep, baba.
All right.
I love Vietnam.
Okay, you love Vietnam. Can you see my screen now? All right. So, Koi, this is your homework for this record 1 minute video answering. All right. Oh, what is that? It's a book? What do you do in the in a okay, state?
Đi viết tên tiếng
Yes, all right. State what do you do in a week?
Teacher, I can talk English.
Koi.
I can talk Vietnam.
Ah,
I can
really?
talk with Vietnam.
Okay.
I can talk
Exam.
with people Vietnam.
Okay. Example.
I go.
I. All right. Example. In Monday,
Hai ba. Thôi cô. Con
I
vào.
study
Con muốn chơi với.
English. Or in Monday, I study math. So, math. In Tuesday, I play piano. In Tuesday, ano, in Wednesday, I study English class, English lesson. All right,
Con sợ.
I
Thứ
have.
Potter.
All right. Okay, Kai, this is your homework. All right. So for this week, record again 1 minute video answering or state what do you do in a week, Koi. Okay?
Yeah. Yes,
What do you do in
teacher.
a week? Example, in Monday, I study. All right. Give me 1 second. All right.
What teacher? Do
All
too.
right. Okay, this one. Okay. Okay. So, Koi, this is your homework for this week. Okay. Record 1 minute video answering the question, what do you do in a week, Koi? Okay? All right. Example.
Khôi ơi, đây là bài tập về nhà tuần này của em. Quay video dài 1 phút trả lời câu hỏi. Khôi ơi, tuần này em làm gì? Ví dụ, thứ hai em học toán, thứ ba em chơi piano, thứ tư em học tiếng Anh.
Okay?
I can talking with people Vietnam.
Okay, but you will gonna answer this one. Yes, but you will gonna answer this one in English. Okay, Koi?
Yes.
All right. So again, this is your homework.
Khôi ơi, đây là bài tập về nhà tuần này của em. Quay video dài 1 phút trả lời câu hỏi. Khôi ơi, tuần này em làm gì? Ví dụ, thứ hai em học toán, thứ ba em chơi piano, thứ tư em học
Wow.
tiếng Anh.
Okay. All right. So yes, Koi, we are done with our class tonight. So come on. Thank you so much, Koi, and good night. Answer your homework. See you next week. Bye-bye, Koi.